Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you love smart kitchen upgrades that actually make life easier, today's video is for you. We're checking out the TOSHIBA EM131A5C-SS Countertop Microwave Oven, and this is one of those appliances that quietly becomes something you use every single day. Whether you're reheating leftovers, defrosting frozen food, or making a quick meal before work, this 1000W countertop microwave is designed to help you cook faster, eat better, and save time. Right away, what makes the TOSHIBA EM131A5C-SS countertop microwave oven stand out is its smart humidity sensor. Instead of guessing cook times, the microwave detects moisture in your food, then automatically adjusts power and time for you. That means fewer mistakes, more even heating, and food that actually tastes the way it should. With a roomy 1.2 cubic foot capacity and a large 12.4-inch removable glass turntable, this microwave easily fits standard dinner plates, handles family portions, and works perfectly in apartments, dorms, or busy homes. Now let's talk about convenience, because that's why people need this product. The 6 preset auto menus allow you to press once and walk away while it handles popular foods like pizza, vegetables, and sensor reheat meals. The 10 unique power levels give you the flexibility to warm gently, reheat evenly, or boil liquids efficiently, depending on what you're making. The Easy Defrost by Weight or Time feature helps you thaw food evenly, protect texture, and reduce food waste, which is a huge benefit for daily cooking. TOSHIBA also adds features that improve real-life use. The One-Touch Start lets you start cooking instantly from 1 to 6 minutes. The Mute function allows you to use it quietly at night, and the Eco Mode helps you cut down on energy consumption and save electricity. The easy clean interior means less scrubbing and more time doing what you actually enjoy, while the sleek silver design upgrades the look of your kitchen. So why should people use the TOSHIBA EM131A5C-SS countertop microwave oven? Because it simplifies cooking, reduces daily stress, and delivers consistent results with minimal effort. And why is it needed? Because modern life demands appliances that work smarter, not harder. If you're thinking about upgrading your microwave, the link to this product is available in the description. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like the video, comment your thoughts, and subscribe to the channel for more honest reviews and smart tech picks.